Check your regional plan 2001. If this area from the corner here right till the end of Anjuna is not shown as settlement. Regional plan 2001, which was notified in 1985. Okay? Third point. What is CRZ? Land influenced by tidal action up to 500 meters from the high tide line. The high tide line spring. Is this land influenced by tidal action or is it stable land? It's not a dune beach like Kalangut or Kolwa. Huni, Palolim and this Anjuna beach are shown as settlement.
In which plan?
Regional plan 2001, which was notified in 1985 December.
Okay.
Check it out. Okay? Now, Adarsh building in Bombay. Why was that not demolished? I intervene in that matter. With one word, that not. Land influence or land not influence. Adarsh was built on reclaimed land. Therefore, no problem. 3 chief ministers were thrown out because of that. Nothing happened. Building is still standing, 32 floors. Maybe I am the 33. So, how do we solve this CRZ understanding? It has to be looked at very carefully from all angles. Town and Country Planning Act, Panchayat Act, Land Revenue Code, and Science.
But they are saying
and building code.
There is a demolition order against this curlis or
demolition order because the judges in NGT also are not accepting. Nobody is bringing these points up. They don't give a chance to bring. We need experts in the subject. Call people from the Directorate General of Shipping, where the law originally came from in 1981 as an executive order by Indira Gandhi. Bring the nautical scientists from the Directorate General of Shipping. Maybe they can explain it. What the science behind coastal regulation zone is. It comes from Section 5 of UNCLOS, United Nations Convention on Law of the Sea.
But there are any other structure other than curlis like they...
Oh, look, the whole coast, this whole coast. All built later on. Look,
so how many structures are there?
There's an order I said in 2010, given by High Court for 196 structures. Try demolishing 108 will be different. Considering where the land is influenced by tidal action. What is tidal action? The daily ebb and flow of tide. What is the meaning of influence? To gently move. Check your dictionary. So land gently moved by this ebb and flow of tide. This is not a dune beach. Dune beaches, yes, there is a lot of play. You see at Miramar when the sand gathers, when the sand wind speed is more than 12 meters per second, the sand lifts up. And the wind is always playing with the sand. The tide is also playing with the sand, bringing in, sometimes eroding, sometimes accreting. But this is a pocket beach. Anjuna and Palolem are pocket beaches where the coastal energy is coming in straight and going out straight. Here we have these rocks to protect us from the longshore currents. So I can't become your teacher in 10 minutes with the cameras here. But it's time to go to court in a more, in a more organized manner with the proper scientists there to answer questions and dissect this entire CRZ notification, starting with Indira Gandhi's executive order of 1981, November 19.
So today is curlis, tomorrow?
Tomorrow maybe the whole coast, no?
Okay. Today is curlis, tomorrow can be a whole coast.
Yes. If they continue like this, see, truth is one point. If you try to go shift it towards this side, something else will crop up here. It has to be done. It's a scientific law. It's non-ambiguous. It's very perfect. Before they used to say all ambiguous. Before they were saying, even some admirals, there's some, in the Times of India you can confirm this, helicopter walkover. It's high tide, which happens every 1.5 years. That is the tide to be taken. It's a whole area, like that's why this whole area is settlement. This whole area should have had an ODP plan, and infrastructure should be placed, and the development goes accordingly.
So do you have now stop order for this? Stop order?
I don't know, that the lawyer is handling.
So there's an update from the Supreme Court now that temporary stay has been given on the demolition. So what
Then temporary stay, then show these jatus.
बड़ा हुए तो
Indonesia, okay?
this now, guys.
होय
ऐसा है जीसीपी दिखा स्टॉप हुआ जीसीपी ऐसा इधर भी ये भी करेगी तो मैं